Welcome. In this video, I'll share elegant, timeless ways to bring old-world charm into your backyard. Simple, classic touches, no fuss, just beauty. Whether you love cozy English cottage style, romantic French country flair, or vintage Mediterranean accents, there's something here for you. Weathered wood bench. A soft aged wood bench invites you to sit and relax. Perfect for portraits or quiet moments. Antique garden tools as art. Display old rakes or shovels on a fence or shed for a charming, story-filled accent. Rustic planters, buckets, milk cans. Repurpose tin cans or old milk churns as flower pots, simple and sweet. Cast iron bird bath or fountain. A small, ornate bird bath adds history and enchantment to any garden corner. Whimsical birdhouses. Vintage or mismatched birdhouses, hung on posts or tucked in foliage, add playful charm. Salvaged brick pathway. An informal brick path laid in herringbone or basket weave connects garden spaces with character. Hanging lantern planters. Turn old lanterns into planters. Hang from hooks for a soft, glowing display. Garden sculpture or statue. A small statue or stone figurine brings a classic European feel. Vintage bird cages with plants. Suspend bird cages filled with trailing blossoms for a romantic vintage look. Flower-filled wheelbarrow. An old wheelbarrow brimming with seasonal flowers is charming and low effort. Rustic wooden potting bench. Upcycle a simple wood table into a garden station, stylish and practical. Terracotta pots in tiered display. Stack pots on steps or shelves for classic Mediterranean flair. Weathered pergola with climbing roses. Frame a pergola in soft roses or clematis for that timeless, romantic touch. Stone entrance or garden arch. A small stone arch or gate makes a beautiful entry into your garden retreat. Mixture of herbs and vintage flowers. Combine lavender, thyme, and old-fashioned roses for fragrance and nostalgia. Thank you for joining me today. I hope these 15 ideas inspire your garden transformation. Try one or two that speak to your style, maybe that cast iron bird bath or a hanging lantern planter. Drop a comment below with your favorite, and if you try these ideas, I'd love to see your photos. Just tag me. And don't forget to like and subscribe. More simple, elegant garden inspiration is coming soon.